Bro, bro, what are you staring at? We need to go.
I'm getting in my stuff.
You shouldn't stuff like
Don't run.
pretty good.
Okay? Don't run, okay? Okay?
No, we need to go the other way around.
Go this way.
No, this way.
Don't run.
You'll scare her.
You'll always be back.
Bro. Staring in the woods. No, don't go close.
I know what.
No, don't.
Look at her now.
Let me see what she's looking at.
She was
Ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Look at her.
Ow. See anything in the woods? Something?
There's a cat right there. On the other side of the fence.
Wait, where?
On the other side. Not on this side, but on the different side.
Think so? I think there's something in that bush she was staring at, or that bush.
Come on, come on. You don't worry about it, okay? Come on.
Let me go close. Ow. She got shoes on. What is that a bear? What is that? What is that? What the?
What are you looking at?
Where is it? Oh.
What?
Hello? Do you see that? Is that a big cat? Panther?
Where?
Monster? The hybrid? You know what it is, Izzy? Bro, what is that? What?
What?
What is that?